Today I'm going to show you how to allow Site Window Management permission on Google Chrome on PC, step by step in the simplest way possible. This is really useful if a website needs to open, arrange, or manage multiple windows or displays properly, and you want Chrome to give it the permission it needs. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. If Chrome is already open, that's totally fine. Just make sure you're using a recent version of Chrome, because some website permissions only show up correctly on updated browsers. If you haven't updated Chrome in a while, it's always a good idea to do that first. Next, go to the website that needs window management permission. Keep in mind that this permission only appears for supported websites, so if you don't see it right away, that could simply mean the site doesn't request that access. Once you're on the correct website, look at the left side of the address bar. You'll see either the lock icon or the site information icon. This is where Chrome keeps the permissions for that specific website. Click that icon and a small menu will open up with website options. From there, click Site Settings. This takes you into the detailed permission page for that exact website, where you can control what the site is allowed to do in Chrome. It's a really handy place because you can manage things like camera, microphone, notifications, and in this case, window management. Now scroll down through the list of permissions until you find Window Management. This setting controls whether the website can manage multiple windows and display behavior. It's especially useful for tools, web apps, dashboards, and services that need to open content in different windows or work across multiple monitors. Once you find Window Management, click the drop-down next to it. By default, it may be set to Ask, Block, or something similar, depending on your browser and site history. Change it to Allow. As soon as you do that, Chrome will give the website permission to manage windows and displays on your PC. And that's it. The site should now be able to use window management permission in Google Chrome. If the website still doesn't work correctly, refresh the page and try again, or make sure you're on the exact site that requires the permission. Sometimes a refresh is all it takes for the new setting to apply. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.